Hi, want to know how to take a screenshot on your Google Pixel 9 Pro? So, as a first step, we would need to learn this key combination, which is power button and then volume down button. We would need to click on these two buttons at the same time to make a screenshot. So let's try it. I'll click on these two buttons. And you can see that I have made a screenshot. Here is it how it looks, and by clicking on it at the left bottom corner, we can also edit it. So let's click save and take a look on it in our gallery. Here is it how it looks. Now let me also show you how to do a scroll screenshot, which will help you to capture, for example, this whole website. So to do a scroll screenshot, firstly, we would need to do a basic screenshot with the exact same combination. So volume down, power button, click at the same time, and then click on this button, capture more. Here you'd be able to select how many of the website you would like to capture. For example, let's do it like this, and then click save. Now let's take a look on our long screenshot, which looks a little bit weird. This one is it, and here is it how it looks. If we will zoom in, you can see that it's clear and detailed, and like this you can, for example, screen some book so you can read it when you have no internet. And this is it. I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.